So hey, what's up guys, in today's video I will teach you how to see NFTs, how to buy NFT, how to sell NFT, how to create NFT, and how to list in marketplace. So first of all, you have to download Trust Wallet or any wallet, or you can use your PC extension. And first of all, you see I have much more NFTs. Like you can see here very much NFTs I have in my wallet. So you also have this NFTs. You have to purchase this NFTs from where? You have to go to D apps and search Opensea. Yeah, here you can search Opensea dot Opensea. Then after searching Opensea, you come here and click on the first link, opensea.io, and then you come to this website. This is Opensea official website where you can create, buy, sell, create and list NFTs and check NFTs and much more things you can done here. Here you can check NFTs, buy NFTs, and make offers, mint NFTs from here, very much new things from here. So after going here, you can use Opensea in any chain like Ethereum, Polygon, and BNB Smart Chain, and many chains they support, like AVEX and much more chains he support in his website. So you can use any of the chain, and you can see here NFTs like Alexander NFT and much more NFTs here are. You can trade NFTs, and after trading NFT you can earn from trading the NFTs. You can buy NFT in low rate and sell them in high prices. So you can have to do research for before buying NFTs. So I can teach you how to buy here NFT, and here you can see activities of NFT, analysis of NFT items, and I can check the arts, what the perfect arts this is, masterpiece. So you can check all of these things and what the product shits these are. And then here you can see verified, how to verify here. I can teach you in further videos how to create your own NFTs. So the like on of the video is 5k likes, so hit 5k likes fast, so I can teach you how to create your own NFT and list in marketplace and earn money from this. So first of all, you have to create your wallet and click on connect wallet. After clicking on connect wallet, you have to wait some time, as I am waiting here. So first of all, I refresh the website, and then I again click on, once a second I can again open the Opensea, because it's not working properly in phone. You have to use it in PC. So I can select other chains also. You can see here many more chains. I can select Polygon Matic chain and then click on connect wallet, and I can see here. Then I have to click to account here and profile, and you have seen my NFTs which are listed in Opensea, like Sunflower Land NFT and Dustland NFT is listed in market. So I can sell this NFT in some Ethereums or some Polygons, so you can check here. And then much more things are here. You can hide your NFT from your profile, and you can see activities that I have minted NFT, transfer NFT, much more things. And here you can see in hidden, I have hidden my NFT, Cyberdogs NFT. So you can do much more things in this. Hit 5k likes, then I teach you some more options from here. Till then, take care, love you all.